Hi, friendships. So, in Christine Marie Kitchen, nagluto po tayo ng sinigang baboy. So, ito po, bok choy. Tapos, ayan. Tapos, ito butig. Tapos, ayan. May beans po tayo. So, asan na ba yung beans? Marami po yung beans kasi favorite. Ayan. Ayan, o diba? That is in Christine Marie Kitchen po. So, sinigang po tayo, no? Lutong Pinoy, pagkaing Pinoy. Sinigang baboy, pork sinigang. This is pork sinigang and Christine Marie Kitchen. Here it is. Okay. Let's eat.